once the government servants are not doing their job, then ultimately people come out on the roads.
So when people, activists like Pratima and Rama come onto the streets and awaken the people, no, people come out onto the street and the result is that government will fall.
आता इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शनाचे जायले CRZ हेतून बोळ जालो मोर्चा अगेन एवरीथिंग वेंट. Who gave you result? It is the courts who said that 172 construction should be seen.
म्हणजे आम्ही ऑफिसांनी वयता तेन्ना ऑफिस इज बीन कंट्रोल बाय द पॉलिटिशियन्स. Now when we ask about illegal hill cutting जाता तेजे आसा कोण रिस्पॉन्सिबल.
आता सुद्धा हे भूतानी हिल कटिंग who will give you result? It is either the authorities fail. It is the courts who are going to give you result.
आवाज आसपास जाय नाल्यार गोय आसा पळय आमी आवाज करना न्ही जाल्यार गोय दिकून न्ही कवर जाता.
Welcome back to the second part of this episode on hill cutting, conversions, illegal or otherwise, on this story behind the story. A quick intro for those who have just joined us. Ramabab Kankondkar, welcome. Siddharth Bab Samant, welcome. Francis Bab Coelho, welcome. And Pratima Bai Kutino. Ramabab, Dotor has given a very, very systematic, professional thing from the government. You agree it works like this? Or Dotor Bab kite monta? तसे चलता? I wanted to say one thing. Dotor Bab is saying everything that you should not go to court, but without going to court, can't
No, you should go to court is what.
You should not. Why should you go to court? And why is it being departed? It's the highest level of government servants in India is in Goa, I think.
दोतोर बाब म्हणटा सगळे कोर्टांतल्यान सॉल्व जावपाक कित्याक तो तेजे प्रोफेशन कोर्ट सो बिझनेस
Billing जातले.
You are also advocating.
So but I am not practicing. I am what I like for the goans in Goa.
maybe the government is thinking about giving business to the lawyers. Anyway, yeah, main important कितें आहा जेन्ना आमी म्हणटा पळय मोर्चा करून सॉर्ट आउट जायना मागीर घरा बसून सॉर्ट आउट जातलें
सारकें.
मोर्चा एक मिनिट लेट मी कंप्लीट इट. मोर्चा करता म्हणून आयज भियेता लोकांक बाबा आमचे वोट कमी जायत काय म्हणून आणि वोट कमी जायत म्हणून अशें भिता तेन्ना मागीर तुमचे स्ट्रॅटेजीज आसा डायवर्ट करपाक दुसरे हेजे कडेन दुसरे कडेन म्हणल्यार मागीर ते रिलिजियस टर्न आउट जाता. हे इश्यूज मुद्दे मेन आहा पळय ते डायवर्ट करपाक तुमचे 10 स्ट्रॅटेजीज आसता. काँग्रेसी कडेन कांयच ना स्ट्रॅटेजी. एक मिनिट मेन इम्पॉर्टंट
तुमच्या
गव्हर्मेंट बीजेपी गव्हर्मेंट. सो वॉट आय मीन टू से जेन्ना हे विषय जाता तेन्ना मोर्चा जाल्या उपरांत सिंपल गजाल आमकां वास्कोच्यान काणकोणच्यान पणजेच्यान सांकवाळ गांवांत वयचें पडटा एक्टिविस्टांक आनी 4th नायट मिटिंगेक एक्चुअली पळोवपाक गेल्यार आमचें पार्टिसिपेशन आसना. आमी वचून थंय उबे रावले 4th नायट मिटिंगेक वचून 4th नायट मिटिंग सारकी कंडक्ट करिना म्हणून आमकां सेक्रेटरीक क्वेश्चन करचें पडटा.
Panchayat level.
It is a shame. And the biggest thing is, there the lawyer has been sitting over there. He has not been appointed.
Bhutani.
Lawyer जो अपॉइंटलो त्यांच्यानी कोणी पंचायत पंचायतीन आपण ना तेका विचारले तेने any letter हा गामने काय ना. He was sitting and he was dictating terms to the 4th night meeting. What I mean, he is not even a villager of that area. He is from Velim. So प्रश्न असो येता की आयज ग्रासरूट लेवलाचेर फेल जाला. पंचायत लेवलाचेर जे आमकां पावर दिल्ले आहा पळय ते फेल जाल्ले आसा. मागीर आमी ऑफिसांनी वयता तेन्ना ऑफिस इज बीन कंट्रोल बाय द पॉलिटिशियन्स. नाव वेन वी आस्क अबाउट इलिगल हिल कटिंग जाता तेजे आसा कोण रिस्पॉन्सिबल. जरी तर एक कोणूच रिस्पॉन्सिबल ना. फाल्यां हांव एक काम करता एक फूल हिल कटिंग करता आनी व्हडले बंगले बांदपाक स्टार्ट करता जातलें अशें. टुमॉरो दे वील एक चियो सुद्दां हालता न्हू जाल्यार पंचायत एक आपले इलिगल आपल्याच प्रॉपर्टीन तर कोण घर बांदता जाल्यार ताका नोटीस काडटा नोटीस. आणि जेन्ना इतले व्हडले हिल कटिंग जाता तेन्ना आमकां व्होळा घालचो पडटा. आणि दुसरी गजाल म्हाका एक सांग कोर्टान वचपाक पयशे कोण दितलो बीजेपी सरकार. पयशे लागता न्हू कोर्टान वचपाक. मागीर हू वील गिव दीस मनी. why should we spend money? Why should we spend money and take all the matters to the court when we have elected representatives to function to have elected representative come with
and also government
एकूच म्हाका एक सांग असेंब्लीन जेन्ना एक क्लियर डिस्कशन जाला डिस्कशन ऑन दिस लँड कन्वर्जन्स डिस्कशन ऑन दिस हिल कटिंग when the assembly is the highest most body आणि त्या असेंब्लीन जे डिस्कशन केला ते तर फॉलो जायना जाल्यार आणि कोणाक
Zuari 1 year back CM was supposed to put an inquiry commission.
Of course.
In the assembly. Yeah, okay, but
CM जायते म्हणटा करना काय.
See, As far as Morcha is concerned, nobody says that you have no right to take out Morcha. That is your democratic right. But that is not going to yield you. You might educate people. That is your job. Awareness. But results you will get only by following due process of law. Either you go before a particular officer, file complaint. If nothing is happening, take it to the court. आता तुम्ही पैशाचा हिशोब केलो. You think what I don't understand how much money it takes to galvanize one Morcha.
गोंयकारांक मोर्चा करपाक मनान लागता, मन लागता. When we are hot, we are coming out and doing the morcha.
That is the most. That
If for me to company, I should get some peaceful moment. I have no problem to
don't make a statement.
No, don't say that.
See, we are today on the street. We are putting our petrol. We are running around. We are getting paid. We are.
So that's what I'm telling you.
This what Ram sacrifice करता.
Sir, 32 crores have been spent for mother. Pratima, 32 crores have been spent. 32 crores have been spent.
Everyone is rich to have money to pay the court. We are the voice of
Madhe government and 32 crores spent. किती करा?
फक्त ते AG आणि त्यांना कोट्याने पैसे
30 crores is a bill. 32 crores.
पंचायती पळयला आणि पळय देखून
प्रतिभा 32 crores spend करून तर लॉयरांचे जर माधव आमकां गोंयान हाडपाक शकना आमी जाल्यार आनी कितले पयशे भरपाचे?
Can we have a discussion on Madhe later?
No, but no, we are talking about court fees. He is talking about court fees.
You know what?
The problem with Rama is he does not want solution. He wants politics over it.
No,
problem.
You are talking about Morcha is not giving the solution.
म्हणजे
Morcha solution
अरे बाबा
चालू solution
हेच करून डिपार्टमेंट कोर्टान घालता सरकार कितें म्हणटा सगळा बीजेपी कोर्टान गेल्या कोर्ट कांयच करना कोर्ट only takes time.
Whenever we are taking issues that divert intelligence.
Glenn, it's your
Okay,
job
are we
to
done
moderate.
now? Listen, politics, no politics, everybody has the right. Let him also talk, yaar.
Beginning, I have been saying that Morcha is fine to the extent you create an awareness to build pressure on the government, but that Morcha is not going to yield any result. Just because you take a Morcha, now what has happened? You have taken Morcha.
कितले वर्ष सरकार गोयला मरे कितले पाटी सरकार गोयला मोर्चा केला लोकांक नाका म्हणून सरकारान बंद केला
सरकार चलता जाल्यार मोर्चाची गरज ना.
आणि सरकार गोयला आशिल्ले जाल्यार आमकां
I will give you with example.
Please, Zodur, go ahead. Sorry for the interruption. Go ahead.
आता पळय फाटल्या फावटी रिजर्वेशन इन पंचायत वॉज एन इशू. इतलो खूप लोकांनी बोवाळ केलो. अल्टिमेटली रिजल्ट तुमकां खंयच्यान आयला? कोर्टांतल्यान आयला न्ही. मागीर म्युनिसिपालिटीचे रिजर्वेशन वॉज एन इशू. खूप लोकांनी बोवाळ केलो, मोर्चा केलो. रिजल्ट खंयच्यान आयला तुमकां? हू स्ट्रक डावन द रिजर्वेशन? इट इज द कोर्ट्स विच स्ट्रक डावन द रिजर्वेशन न्ही. आता इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शनाचे जाल्ले CRZ हेतून बोवाळ जालो. मोर्चा अगेन एवरीथिंग वेंट. Who gave you result? It is the courts which said that 172 construction should be seen. आता सुद्धा हे भूतानी हिल कटिंग, who will give you result? It is either the authorities failed. It is the courts who are going to give you result.
So why are you even contesting election?
I have not contested election.
My question is, my very clear question is, we elect the government on their manifesto, correct?
Yes.
One of the manifesto is protecting the Goa and land of Goa, correct? Every political party put up.
No.
Every political party put up. आणि म्हाका एक सांग, जेन्ना हो रोल तर पॉलिटिशियनाचो असता जाल्यार म्हाका एक सांग, whose role and responsibility is this? Now, for example, hill cutting is going on. There should be one department who is controlling it, and there will be one minister, correct? And above minister, there is a chief minister. If everything fails, then we have to go to the court.
But right now
so now,
Hare Baba, right
so
now it's
BJP have failed. Accept it.
Why he has to accept it? The government has to accept it. The point, why has he to accept it?
I'd like to just answer.
See, one sec before. Now the thing is that what I totally agree with Dr. on this. If ultimately the system fails, then you have to approach the court. He's right. And what is wrong? What he has said?
That's the last option.
Hare Baba, but the
what is the last option?
What should be the last option?
Hare Baba, but listen, yaar, you guys are not making any sense. Pratima,
Hare Baba,
especially you.
listen, no,
Because the system,
you
what
are
are you
saying-
talking
you are saying-
The system has failed.
Hello.
Why are you all on the road?
Is the reason? Why we are coming on the road?
Why we are on the roads? We
What
should
is
sit
happening?
at-
What is happening? I'll tell
See,
you.
we are not on road.
The
People
result.
are coming on the road.
He's
Why?
asking.
They are forced by the BJP government to come on the road.
He's asking a
BJP
simple
government is
question.
forced us to come on the roads.
What is the result? See, they say now the democracy has 4 pillars.
Correct.
Okay, and on top of those 4 pillars sits a healthy democracy. आता हे 4 हामे कित्याचेर आसता? These 4 pillars rests on the people. It's the people who have the 4 pillars on it, and democracy rests on that. That's the structure.
Correct.
These people know when they come on the road, then result happens. And what is that result? In 2012, we saw that result. Manohar Parrikar came to power.
Correct.
That was the result. Today, people are coming out to throw the BJP government out of power. Okay,
2 years more
1
ago.
minute.
That is fine.
That is exactly the result. So when people, activists like Pratima and Rama come onto the streets and awaken the people, people come out onto the street, and the result is that government will fall because they are fed up.
Political statement.
Political, yeah, political. This is a political. Yeah, I am a politician. I am a politician.
Why have you replied to that?
I am a politician. I am not scared to say that.
So
What he has to do with me?
therefore you have
He is a
nothing to do with
politician.
convincing.
I am a politician.
I'm saying.
My job is to wake up the people and tell them, बाबा गोयंकारा तुम्ही हेंका निवडून हाडला, या सरकाराक हाडला, कित्याक हाडलोलो? 2012 काँग्रेसान आणि काँग्रेसाचे पळय मंत्री आसले तेणी पाड घातलेले म्हणून तुम्ही बीजेपी काढलेलो, पर्रीकर बाबा काढलेलो. आता तेच पळय मंत्री आहा ते यांच्या सरकारान बसल्या आणि आता ते पाड घालता म्हणून ती आमकां गरज आहा लोकांक वचून सांगपाची की तेच मंत्री आहा, विश्वजीत राणे तिका आहलो, दिगंबर कामत तिका आहलो, आहले तितले 12 जण लॉटांनी आत्ते पत्ते जाऊन 2001 लॉट त्यांनी 2017-19 घेतलो, दुसरो लॉट आता 2023 घेतला. लॉटांनी ते ओडटा आणि तिंगा बसयता. आमकां गरज आहा हेंका आनी हेंका गरज आहा सांगा.
बीजेपीचे लोक कितले आहा ताचेर उलोव हांव.
ओय उलय
मागीर तुमचो प्रेसिडेंट खंयचो? कितले
सरकारान
आम्ही जितल्या निवडून येतात दुसरीकडे तिथल्यांकू बीजेपीचे सगळे बीजेपीकडे वाढता तुम्ही म्हणून आमका ऑपोजिशन
discussion
discussion or hill cutting. I am saying that.
President Ballala, who is the party
You just
BJP. So now who is doing politics here?
Politics.
He is a politician. He will do politics.
This one.
He is
तुमचे 30 जण सोडून बाकीचे सगळे कोण बाकीचे
बीजेपीचे कोण आसा रे?
So why you wanted? See,
चोरांनी आणला चोरपाची
21 सीट
जे काँग्रेसचे गेल्या पॉईंट चोरपाची
Therefore, Rama's problem is not conversion. Rama's problem is BJP is in power.
No.
That's Rama's problem. Otherwise,
my problem is BJP is on power. I am saying it loud. I stand on top of the mountain and say BJP is on power and that is my problem. Not power.
माझे गोय काबार जाता गोवा इज गेटिंग जेन्ना माझे गोवा काबार जाता तेन्ना बीजेपी हवा सरकारान आणि आय एम स्ट्रेटली टेलिंग यू एज अ नॉन पॉलिटिकल पर्सन I am saying that if this BJP is destroying Goa, BJP have to be out in 2027. Clear and cut. This is my power.
You are right. You can us, but your problem is his problem is he.
Whose problem? My or his problem?
Both. तुमच्या तिघांचा problem.
Washing power of BJP.
You have gone. See, you have gone to. You have gone in
elections.
You fought elections. You lost elections, and therefore you are doing politics.
Fighting for
तू म्हाका एक सांग आमी कितें करपाचें हे सगळे हावन काबार करतात आमी योगी हेणी गोवाक मारपाचें न्हू आमी कोर्टान वचपाचें न्हू पॉलिटिक्स करपाचें न्हू आमी आंद्यार आंदो घालून बसपाचो
Therefore your problem is not all conversion zone change. Your problem is BJP is rolling out. That's your problem.
अरे सर
केसी जिंकला स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंट केस जिंकला जिंकला सांग म्हाका
Glenn, I have spoken about the fact that the BJP government has taken a hill and cut it. Right? I am asking him to respond to that.
In Goa's favor.
Sir, you respond to the fact.
In fact, they are challenging. It is mostly in Goa's favor.
Wherever we are getting highlighted, we have to go to Karnataka to highlight the issue of the construction work. We have shown it.
Sir,
See, as far as it's a separate topic. If you want, I will.
No,
tell you. I know.
no,
exactly.
no,
What I'm saying,
no.
you are saying
As far as-
government is not responsible.
sir, ते दिलीप बिलगोडा नाव आहे का उदाहरण दिले
Activity are responsible.
How
Are we paid to do
Nobody
this
is
job?
paid.
आम्हाला कोण पगार देणार?
Activists are not paid to do this job.
कोण देणार?
Government officers are paid to this job.
And still त्याची
now-
कोण
now-
करणार?
आता-
कोणाला
now-
block मध्ये घेतात.
now-
And government
now-
job घेतात.
now- Rama, you
Government
finally-
officers-
Thank God you came.
government-
Thank God you came. Thank God you came to the point.
Government officers has been appointed. I mean,
Thank God you came to the
selected.
point. Yeah, yeah.
Government officers आहा त्यांची ड्युटी असा तांकां पेमेंट दिता.
Correct.
MLA कूय पेमेंट मेळटा.
Correct.
MLA इलेक्ट केल्लो आसा.
Petrol मेळटा.
लेजिस्लेट करपाक लागून 40 आमदार थंय धाडटा आणि प्रत्येकाक पोर्टफोलिओ आसता आणि त्या पोर्टफोलिओच्या अंडर हे सगळें घडटा आणि जरी तर कितें रॉंग चल्लेलें आसता द बिगेस्ट पॉवर हाऊस इज द असेंब्ली.
Exactly.
The cabinet is the biggest house. Now my question is no. I'm talking about this. I'm not talking about the court. I'm not talking about judiciary.
Now are we going back to the topic?
No, I am talking about.
Finally we can go back.
I am talking about जेन्ना तुमकां खबर आसा की हे सगळे सीएम करपाक शकता म्हणून पळया आता परत डायवर्ट
ना CM no TCP.
CM is the head of the state.
Okay.
Cabinet are under him.
Theoretically.
So when CM
Theoretically.
ओके बट जेन्ना विचारता तेंका तेन्ना म्हणटा यू हॅव टू फायंड आउट यू हॅव सीन चीफ मिनिस्टर सेईंग कोणी केला कोणाच्या टायमार तुम्ही फायंड आउट करा मागता ही कॅन डायरेक्टली जस्ट गिव अ कॉल बाबा म्हाका सांग रे खंयच्या टायमार जालां हें आणि विश्वजिताक ही हॅव पॉवर टू आस्क विश्वजीत बाबा दिस इज द थिंग्स विच इज हॅपनिंग इट इज डॅमेजिंग माय पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट असता त्यांच्या दे कॅन डायरेक्टली सॉर्ट आउट दिस डोंट एक्सपेक्ट people to come on the ground and whenever activists are supporting them you are saying that this is for political gains.
One person I've seen who is not.
And I am
all
openly
is
saying-
appreciating us.
I am
today.
openly
But
saying
I
this.
don't know.
Yes,
Mr.
yes,
Sawant,
yes.
Advocate Sawant has got a
I
problem.
am openly saying this. Captain Viriato, who have really worked for the coal agitation, and if we think that right now Captain Viriato going across this, taking up the real issues and putting in the parliament wherever the discussion is happening, if you think that this is a change, then accept BJP that this can be a change for 2027 elections because the governance.
So that's why
No,
again
of
came back
course,
to the
yeah,
same.
Yeah, but why are we talking about? We'll
That's what I'm
discuss
saying.
politically later.
His problem is not
You
convergence.
cannot
Problem is not
No,
coal.
you
His
have-
Can you
problem
disconnect
is
politics
he
and
should go
this?
to.
okay, let's go back to
Yeah, yeah,
convergence.
one second.
We you know convergence. Let's talk about the North Goa MP.
problem is different.
North Goa BJP MP had put up a file for conversion.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
He claims to have withdrawn it. Okay.
He claims, huh?
He claims.
Ah.
आता ती फाईल विड्रॉ झाल्या or जावंक ना ती आम्ही नको. Okay. But the fact of the matter is that the highest elected official from the state of Goa is Mr. Naik. Okay, Shripad Naik. He himself is putting files for conversion. Okay. What is left? कितें उरलां? आणि कांयच उरोंक ना न्हू आनी मागीर तुमी म्हणटा बीजेपीची टिका करूं नाका आनी हें पॉलिटिसायज करूं नाका कित्याक करची ना बीजेपीच्या ओक्तार हें जाता इट्स इन द्या टायम त्यांचो ओगो चालू आता त्या सरकारान आहात त्यांचेच मंत्री त्यांचेच मेंबर ऑफ पार्लिमेंट कन्वर्जन्स कोत्ता आणि कितें आनी उरला मागीर कोण हुंयचे which person can we go to which paid government तूं म्हणटा न्हू government servants are paid the government servants are paid to all
See the salaries of the government.
that is irrelevant.
No, it's not.
That is irrelevant. Then they should all leave the jobs. No, there are thousands of people waiting to take up government
Correct.
jobs.
The point is not that. My point is what? My point is that see the same thing, the same discussion we had, and in fact now after so much of discussion, the chief minister has accepted and he has said that PWD government. So we have had this discussion. I even had with the previous PWD minister Nilesh Kabral about the government offices on this platform. We have said government office should be held responsible. So same thing. Suppose if there are illegalities, there is no proper connect with the people, sustainability is not there. The government servants who are paid to do the job should be held responsible.
He cannot be held responsible.
They have to be.
So
One second.
Because the Rajesh Naik,
Ramesh,
was
let me
responsible.
finish.
Rajesh Naik was responsible. We went to take morcha to काढा म्हणता काय त्याका extension दिले.
Dana.
49 lakhs square meter. Who have given them extension? Who is responsible for giving the extension?
Raman, let me finish. So the point is, once the government servants are not doing their job, then ultimately people come out on the roads, because there are two ways of handling politics and politicians. All of you all have been in politics. All of you all know politics. It is either you put the pressure on them or you vote them out. Two ways. But ultimately what Dotor says, I agree with him. Why I'm telling you? Because ultimately the signatory on that file is the chief town planner or whoever it is. One.
Babu.
If the government is not listening, then you go to the court. But if you have to go to the court, that means it is a failure of the system.
Yeah.
It is a failure. The system has failed. That is why Rama, you or me or Pratima or even Dotor get calls, Arey Baba, help, police are not doing this. This is not happening. That why? Because it's a failure of the system. That is something that we have to discuss. That is what I'm trying to tell you all. Now, you all have taken 7 minutes of my time, but just generally see, he's already making time. The point is that this is what we need to discuss. This is the point which you all are fighting for. And you all have wasted 7 minutes. by the
Exactly.
way.
But what we are saying is when the government servants are not doing their jobs, the action is not being taken by the right authority. Who is
Correct.
the right authority?
Correct.
Who is the right authority?
Minister.
Ministers are the right
Department
authority.
heads.
Ministers are failing because I'll tell you one thing.
That's why you're out on the roads.
A chief minister saying, I will not tolerate any hill cutting which will be happening. I will be make accountable. Who? Talati. Correct? This was the statement. How many Talatis has been suspended?
That we have to see now. We will check up.
अरे सीएम जायचे म्हणटा रे सीएम म्हणटा या
मागीर कोण
वाळवंटांतले खड्डे आसताना
CM
सीएम म्हणटा हेजेर एक्शन घेतलो कोणे एक देखून शब्द सेंटिमेंट हर्ट केले जाय देवाचें नाव घेवन जर ताका भितर घालता कांय जायना सीएम खरें सांगता तुका ताका कांयच पडूनच वचना आणि वन थिंग
You, me, all of you all, you, me, Rama,
to the point.
Francis, all of us have voted for this
See,
government.
listen.
I have not voted.
I have voted against this government. I will say loud and clear.
No.
I have not voted for this government.
now-
Arey Baba, you have voted because this is
People
the
who are hungry
Not
for 500 rupees, 1000 rupees,
Not these
biryani
people.
and sorrow have voted for these people.
See,
They have, आणि उरल्या पळय
See.
and who have not voted नी त्यांका नी त्यांच्या आमदारांक चोरून नी त्यांचे पोटले बनवला. See last हांव सांगू सोदता
19 seats BJP
constructive
got.
listen last
19.
हांव सांगता.
Two
What I'm trying to
seats,
tell Samant
AAP
Bab,
got.
let
That's
me
it.
tell,
No
let me
other
tell
party
you.
got
And then there are some
majority.
others who
See,
came to split.
They are
Get it?
they are very good. I'm telling you, they are very good in polarizing the votes and making the election win.
No, Goans are fools in that.
No, no, no.
Let you migrants are 2,000, 3,000.
पण त्यांची
Where
स्ट्रॅटेजी
15,000 are Goans.
त्यांचं आता गुरु परत येयला त्यांची गुरु परत येयला आसा त्यांची स्ट्रॅटेजी बरी हा तांच्यांनी व्हेरी सिस्टमॅटिकली आणि गोंयकार जे हांवें पॉलिटिकल
Okay, we will discuss this because I'm out of time and we have
No,
forgotten
but-
about conversion and he'll go into politics.
No, but
Politics,
okay,
politics is a different ball game altogether. Now you guys know about politics.
It is
don't
the
know about
dirty politics
It is
that
a-
has led to this
All-
conversion
but-
in election.
but politics is a part and parcel of the system.
It is the politics of the BJP that has led to the mass destruction of Goa. Simple. So we cannot talk about the conversion without talking about the dirty politics.
And we cannot keep politics aside and the conversion
last
aside.
to wind up, I would like to say like constructive opposition should be there. Samant Bab, आवाज आसपा जाय नाल्यार गोय आसा पळय
I have issues with
आमी
the
आवाज
opposition
करना न्ही
in Goa. I'm
जाल्यार
sorry,
उरलेले
but-
गोय देखून न्ही काबार जातले
I have-
आमचे गोय आमची आवयची तिका आयज strip
I have
we will
issues.
not tolerate this till the last drop जाता तितले हांव शंकर रामा
फाल्यां सकाळी उरलेले जर 7 जाण सुद्दां वेले न्ही उरलेले 7 जाण सुद्दां तेंच्यांनी विकते घेतले न्ही जाल्यार आमी एक्टिविस्ट
आमी आसा आमचे उतर
Useless.
आमी आसतले
We have to fight.
लोकां बरोबर रावपाक
We have to fight.
everything is not money and everything is
You
not
have to win the
power
elections.
We have
How you win the election is more important. Win that. Just
Let's
going on the
Win
road
people's
election is
hearts.
useless.
Do hard work for Goa and Goans in the interest of Goa and you will win. My mantra is that. पैशात जाय म्हणना सोरो आनी बिर्याणी दिवपाक जाय म्हणना
सर
जगर गोंय लागून
सर लोकांनी रिजेक्ट केल्ले लोकांनी रिजेक्ट केल्ले
आपल्या every Sunday is sunset. कर्मास पण तो पुरो म्हणटा पळय आयसो जाम जाला
See, you all are shouting so much. You are letting him out.
एजी जातलो तो
कोण काँग्रेस गव्हर्नमेंटात जातलो का कोण जातलो
आमकां खबर ना रे बाबा
AG is government, yaar. What?
to
Congress,
Congress,
BJP, किधर ला? This discussion, I think, it did not go anywhere ultimately. But what has come out in this discussion is the anger among the people about a section of the people, because a large majority of Goans are still not awake, whether it is Madai or whether it is conversions or hill cutting. That I totally disagree with two of the panelists here. People have not still been aware. They are not getting up. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. Time will tell.
Just the beginning.
But what is important is that at least somebody has started the awareness, because without that Goa will not be Goa. Why are people coming to Goa? Because Goa is Goa. If they want to see buildings, they can go to Dubai or they can go to Delhi. They can see huge number of buildings, but they won't see Goa. So even our politicians, even most of our engineers and activists, we are all Goans. If we want to maintain Goa, if we want to keep Goa, we have to fight for it. Because if we don't, the best things in life may be free, but you still have to fight for them. And if we don't, then we'll have a major issue in the future. Thanks, Pratima ma'am. Thanks, Savant Bab. Sorry for the badgering. Thanks, Francis Bab. And thanks, Ram. Thank you. And keep watching Goa 365.